Why are Hindu nationalists going after streaming services? What do you get when you mix 1.3 billion people, where half are under the age of 25, with a cheap mobile data fees? You get the biggest growth of any global streaming market, which is now in India.
Swagatham, welcome, vanakkam. Hello, can you hear me? Oh hi, welcome to our channel.
From solo thrills to family chills, there's Prime Video. So, what's your mood?
भेजा हो गया कद्दूकस मुझे दे दो एक कोना बस तो अपना देखो तुम अपना देखो मैं अपना देखूं
Disney Plus Hotstar VIP.
But streaming platforms have faced a growing backlash from nationalist groups in India. They accuse streaming giants like Netflix and Amazon of creating content that hurts the fabric of Indian society. And the latest show to spark controversy is Amazon Prime's Tandav.
ने अपने राज में कई गलत काम किए। इसके हाथ में सत्ता आ गई ना कि लोकतंत्र खत्म कर देगा ये।
Tandav is a case of art imitating life. The political drama has borrowed heavily from a series of crises engulfing the country, like the anti-government protests by university students and farmers overrunning Delhi. But the nationalist ruling party wants the show banned, accusing it of being hurtful to Hindus and offensive to the Prime Minister.
We will force Amazon to remove the show from their platform and apologize to the country unconditionally and with humility. They will have to apologize. We will compel them to apologize.
After mounting pressure from Hindu nationalists, the director of Tandav apologized and agreed to edit out scenes that were allegedly insulting Hindu gods. Ali Abbas Zafar said that the show was only a work of fiction and any resemblance to acts and persons and events is purely coincidental, and that no offense was meant. The Indian film industry, or Bollywood, is renowned for its glitz, drama, and elaborate song and dance routines. And in the midst of the ongoing pandemic, the multi-billion-dollar business has moved into streaming to keep its fans entertained.
Streaming services, which were once considered a luxury, suddenly became increasingly more appealing to Indians. India is now the second largest internet market in the world, following China.
With more than 40 streaming platforms battling for views in the country, India's online video market is set to touch $4.5 billion by 2025. Netflix is ramping up its Indian content production. In the last 2 years, the company has invested more than $400 million in creating original Indian programs. And the South Asian nation is amongst the fastest growing markets for Amazon Prime Video, with about 50 shows in varying stages of development. But threats of politically motivated regulations are starting to creep into the industry. In November, the government brought over the top media services under the purview of Ministry of Information and Broadcast, giving it more powers to regulate digital spaces. It's sparking fears that things would get worse.